Hi, my friends. Today I went to a new place, a place where everything felt fresh. The air, the silence, even my thoughts. Sometimes, when you go somewhere new, you do not just discover roads, you discover moments that quietly change you. And honestly, I did not know that today would be one of those moments. I stepped beside my bike, the same spot where my travel bag always waits for me. The wind was soft, the sun was gentle, and I felt this strange calmness inside. I reached into my pocket, pulled out my gloves, and started wearing them slowly. It just wasn't about covering my hands, it felt like I was preparing my head for something special. I opened my bag and took out a small bowl, a packet of milk, and a few pieces of bread. Simple things, but sometimes the smallest thing carry the deepest meaning. I poured the milk into the bowl, broke the bread into small pieces, and as I mixed them, I smiled because I knew, even before I saw anyone, that this was not just about food, it was about care, about sharing a small act of kindness that might mean the world to someone else. While I was setting the bowl down, I noticed a dog resting nearby. She looked tired but peaceful, sitting quietly watching me. Her eyes told a story, maybe of long days or maybe of quiet struggles. I gently placed the bowl in front of her, hoping she had it. She moved closer, sniffed it a little, but then she stepped back. She did not eat, and in that silence, I understood. Sometimes, just like us, even animals have their off days. Maybe she was not hungry. Maybe she just needed a moment of peace. I looked around, and that's when I saw him and other dog standing just a few feet away. He looked curious, calm, and somehow full of hope. I picked up the bowl and placed it in front of him instead. He hesitated for a second, then started eating slowly, at first, then with joy. Watching him eat felt strangely beautiful. It's funny how such a small act can fill your heart more than any big achievement ever could, because kindness it always finds its way. I took out my phone and captured a few clips, a few photos. But what I really captured was not on my camera, it was in my heart. That quiet moment, that feeling of connection, it reminded me that goodness still exists, that compassion is not gone for the world, it just waits for someone to wake it up again. When he finished eating, he looked up at me, not with fear, not with expectations, but with trust. He did not need to say anything, that look was enough. I smiled and softly said goodbye, my friend. He wagged his tail once, stepped back, and sat down peacefully as if to say, "It's okay, you can go now. I am full and I am happy." So, my friends, if this story touched your heart, then let's make a small promise today. Wherever you are, share a smile, a little kindness, or a simple act of care, because you never know whose word you might be changing without even realizing it. And if you love moments like this, real stories, real emotions, and real connections, then make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video, and follow me on Facebook page, because these are not just videos, they are heart to heart stories, and maybe the next one will begin with you. Thank you everyone for watching my complete video.